So this is the main area, the staff area. These are the workstations. We will definitely share the before after pictures. Will be surprised how the space has been transformed. It was a completely different space. All the ceilings were, these beams that you see on the top were completely blocked. The fall ceiling was up at this level. We have removed everything. We are sticking to a little bit of industrial theme. So the ceiling is exposed now. We put grey paint. All the conduits are exposed and it has become like a complete change of space. So I'll be sharing the before pictures also. So this is a massive storage here. Instead of just keeping it like a plain storage, we played with the depths over here. The depth of this unit is lesser than the rest of the unit, and then there are some spotlights here. And the laminate pattern obviously is different. We've been trying and experimenting with rustic laminates. If you see the storages have a rustic laminates. And on the tables we have used wooden and in a combination of grey, which never goes wrong. So yes. On this side, this is also the workstation area only, and then there are these small two cabins here. Nothing much could be done here, but still we have experimented with this stone finished beautiful laminate black with a metal putty in the center, also on this side. So this cabin also has a little bit of chemistry. Like instead of just putting plain laminates, the stone finish is actually acting as a focal point. Similar stuff happening here. Both these cabins are actually the three of these rooms are on the same color tone. You see, the metal putty is yet to be fixed here in the center.